Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing. Today we are going to be doing the Winter LuxeBox with the $10 mystery add-on. So I'm super excited about that. Just to let you know that LuxeBox is like a sister company to Topbox, except for that it is a seasonal box, so it comes, you know, every season, so fall, winter, spring, summer. You can purchase the in-between boxes, so you can get the editor box. You will not be able to get this box or the add-on. It is officially sold out. They usually, you have to kind of pre-sign up, and they make enough boxes just for that season. So if you're not signed up before, you are unable to get it, unfortunately. As you will probably notice, I am trying out a new camera tonight. I kind of got an early Christmas gift, so I'm super excited about that. If you are interested in signing up for the winter edit, it should be available after the 15th. I'm not sure if that's December or if it was after the 15th of November. You can use my link below. I do get like a $5 off their one-of boxes, so they'll have like limited edition boxes. Recently I did purchase the Jumbo Mystery Box, which was kind of interesting. It should be coming on, I think, like December 3rd. But anyway, let's get into this box. I have left it in the box. I haven't even peeked in. I did see some of the what everyone else had kind of got in the box. Usually we don't get this. It's usually in that black box, so I'm not sure why it's in here. So as well, I want to say that when you are a subscriber with Topbox and LuxeBox, they will send out the beauty surprise add-on. Please note, if you are not a subscriber for Topbox or LuxeBox, you cannot get the add-on. If you're a Topbox subscriber and you want to purchase the add-on, it has to be for that month. If not, if you are not a subscriber, they may charge you a fee to reverse those charges, and I hate to see that happen. As well as the LuxeBox. Just because you are a subscriber to Topbox doesn't mean you can get the add-on. And again, you are subject to fees at the sole discretion, of course, of Topbox and LuxeBox. So just be very careful with that and know that. So, okay, so I see my $10 add-on, which is pretty freaking awesome. It is the Daisy Love Marc Jacobs Oud Sweet. So they did put a beauty surprise sticker on it. So there it is. It is full size. And actually, whoops, I'm knocking everything over here. Okay, so I'm not going to open this up because I actually already have it. And the top fell off. There it is right there. It is really pretty. It is so, it smells so nice. This actually retails for over $100. I actually won this on an Instagram contest. This was for Dave Lackey, who is part of City Line. So I actually won it. So this is great. Unfortunately, I cannot do a giveaway with this because it is a perfume. I cannot transport it. So I'll probably put it up for sale on my local buy or sell. And I'll make a good Christmas gift for somebody else. So here is the, oops, the white box. Oh, this camera is so weird. It's like, it's completely backwards to me, so it's like a reverse, so I have to get used to that. So anyway, here it is. So I forgot to mention that this is $26 seasonal. So, and the editor box are $26 as well. So the first item I do see is the Clinique. This is a full-size Moisture Surge for all skin types 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is pretty awesome. I do have a few of Clinique's items. I don't tend to use them. The most of the stuff I have is for my younger kids. So this is a Moisture Surge. It is 72 hours auto replenishing hydrator. So I actually might gift that. So I'm not gonna try it out. So it's sealed. I have Christmas coming up, and I've got a mother-in-law and a mother to gift. So the next item I see is, so right there is probably more than $26 right there. So I mean, that the $10 add-on was $100, so there's more than my money's worth. So this is Jose Maran Skin Dope Organic Glow Oil, 50% argan oil and 50% hemp seed oil, super omega 3, 6, and 9. Okay, warm 2 to 3 drops in hands and gently apply all over the face for a dewy, glowing skin. Can be used on body and any targeted skin areas to help soothe and condition. Okay, so that's nice. See if that'll... It's got it on my face. Like, no. See? I don't know if that light is still too bright. Ooh, okay. Can you see that? There we go. So, I'm sure that's super expensive. That looks full size, to tell you the truth. So, the next item I see is Fisherman Nova Scotia Extreme Lip Care Canadian Maple. Ah, oh, that is so awesome. I am, yeah. Okay, so it says Extreme A. It's made in Nova Scotia. That's awesome. Natural Conservancy Canada, we proudly support. I really like that idea. I really like the fact that it's lip balm weather, and I'm not going to open this only because I want to save it. I probably will not be gifting this. I have a million lip balms, but maple, Canadian maple, I cannot just like give that away to anyone. So I'm sure that's about $3 or $4, probably maybe even, you know, $9, because let's face it, good lip balm is expensive. So the next item I see is full size, guys. Full size. That's 3 full size, 4 full size. That's crazy. It's Peter Thomas Roth Lashes to Die For Turbo Conditioning Lash Enhancer. I'm gonna. That's full size. Okay, I've got to look up the price to some of this stuff. That's crazy. Okay, so this is here. So this is the packaging. Woo. Okay. Oh. Okay. Do we see it yet? No, we don't. Okay, so let's open it up since I will be... Okay. Oh, it's got serum. Oh, I am probably going to have to need something like that because I can't even check the phones off. Okay, so, why didn't I bring over my phone? How crazy am I? Okay, so, okay, let's see what it says. Okay, so it of lash length, thickness, density, fullness, while 10% conditioning complex, aloe vera. Use the precision tip applicator. Apply thin lighter product along the upper lash at nighttime. Next, wiggle the dense brush applicator horizontally at the base to separate and get to the roots, then brush through the ends. Only apply product onto clean skin and do not apply more than once a night. May also be used on eyebrows. Well, that is neat. I don't know if you've watched in my previous videos. I actually go for laser treatments. I had my last one for this year on Friday. I don't know if you can... Oops. There we go. I have a couple good spots from the laser. But with that being said, he gets really close to my eye, and this time he really went crazy with my eye. So he burns my eyelashes, so I lose a lot of my eyelashes. So I am kind of like thrilled to be having that. Okay, so the next item I see here is the Pure Less Watermelon Energizing 2-minute polishing peel. I already actually have that, so I probably will. I have a couple friends that like the polishing mask, so maybe I will give that to one of them and see if they like it. So the next item I see is actually from Jour Essential Lip Enhancer Shine Balm. Let's see what this... Okay, so here's the... Isn't that just gorgeous? And look at that. Oh. I've got a headache right now. Okay, so it says here, let's pull that up. You would think that if I'm looking at it, yeah, so there's, and I'm like, over here, no, it's over here. It's over this way. So the screen is messing me up. So it says a nourishing, moisture-rich balm with a wash of color for smooth, shiny, kissable, baby soft lips. Good for you. Ingredients, conditions, and provide lasting hydration for visibly fuller, luscious lips. Direction for use: apply daily on for a wash of color and to hydrate lips. Can be applied alone or over your favorite lipstick for added shine. Okay, so I've got some. Oh, that smells so good. And oh, that feels nice. That feels really, really nice. So that, again, that is full size. So that's pretty awesome. So the last item I do see in here is the Sephora hemp mask. So I believe this retails for about $9 on Sephora. The only reason why I know is because I already own it. I have used it, and I have to say, like, I wasn't expecting the way it works. You like put it on your face, you let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you kind of scrub it off, and it kind of leaves your, like, it's like it says 5 uses. Now let's see here. A foamy textured mask that's concentrated in hemp extract and natural origin and works in just 5 minutes. So it says apply to dry skin and leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water. So it isn't, oh, it says 5 uses. Oh, okay, so the thing is 5 uses. I'm pretty sure you could probably get a little bit more out of it if you don't use this much. So I will probably be putting this in a giveaway of its own, only because I do have it already, and I'm so overloaded on masks right now, so I don't really need that. But for $26, I have to admit, like, I got a pretty bang-on box with most of my items being full size. I believe the only thing that isn't is this, but maybe that is their full size for that product. I don't know. It's supposed to be 6 to 7 items. There is definitely 7. 6 of them are full size. Two lip balms. That's a little bit much, but I'm not going to complain. It is winter. There's maple in one, and one is a nice high shine. So I would use it on top of my lip stain. I definitely. It is really, really nice. It feels like there's really nothing on my lips right now, which is kind of nice. And it feels like a bit of a barrier. Again, that's really nice. So some of the items I will be gifting. Some of them I won't. And it's funny because this isn't the box that I saw. I did get box number 3, in case you guys are wondering. If you happen to notice your box and you haven't gotten it yet. I think a lot of people got their box today, but I'm not 100% sure. This stuff is like all over me. So anyway, like I said, this box is sold out. You can't buy it, unfortunately. But if you sign up now, you can either get the there's 2 options. There's getting the editor's box, and then there's also just signing up for the next box, So again, if you want to use my link below, that'd be great. As well as, I know I promised you guys I am working on the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, as well as working on a couple review videos. Now that I have this new camera, I'm going to try it out and see if I can edit it a little bit better than what I have been. And see if this is a better quality video. I do want to say that I tried the Nomad that wasn't any special sounds or anything. That was my mom's computer. I did try the Nomad palette, and I have to say I'm absolutely in love. It blended super easy. It high pigment colors. You can see all the colors I used there. I even tried the blue, and I'm not a big fan of blue eyeshadows, and this was like a dusky blue kind of gray color, and I think it suits me absolutely amazing. I have my purple on there, which I really do love. I used the black kind of multi-tone for under my eyes with a couple other colors. I also used a yellow to kind of bring it into like a sunrise, as well as the pink. The pink is one of my favorite colors. And I have to say, I'm actually really blown away. I didn't have to use a lot. There was a little bit of chalkiness, but there's no fallout. It went on beautifully, stayed on beautifully. So I am super impressed. But I didn't try the Color Pop from Ipsy. But anyway, yes. So I have those... I have tried that, so I'm hoping to do a little more videos into that as well. I do have FabFitFun winter box coming. If you do want to sign up for that, please use my link below. I am an affiliate. If you use the first link, you will get $10 off your box. If you use the code Santa, I think Santa Baby, as well as if I am able to get 3 people to sign up through my link, I will get a free box. I will then in turn give away that free box. So if you do use it, let me know. I did have somebody use the link for the 20 or for the mini box. It is still down there, so if you want to sign up and use my link, you will get a mini box. I believe I am getting it. I'm not sure. I have to contact FabFitFun for that one, and as well as I will get a $20 credit towards my next box or my next purchase through them. So those 2 links are below. I will also link the LuxeBox as well and Topbox. So if you use those links, I would be greatly appreciated. Anyway, this video is super long as it is. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.